Hey guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hello everyone, my name is Sangram and welcome to a new job update in my channel. And today the job update is for all the engineers who are very good in coding and who wants to become a software engineer in Google. So there is a huge opportunity for the software engineers who have at least 1 year of experience in software development category, BTech, MTech, MCA and MSc in computer science in a relevant field. So let's discuss about the job description, and as you can see in the screen, the job is from Google and I have already opened the Google career portal, and here they are asking for software engineer and the location is Hyderabad. So here you can get the minimum qualification, bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience, 1 year of experience with software development in one or more programming language. It can be any language, Python, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, anything you can showcase, and they will just check if your knowledge on software development is good or not, and also they will check the object oriented concept and the problem solving concept in terms of software development. Here preferred qualification, they have mentioned master's degree or PhD in computer science. So if you have done masters like MTech, MS or PhD, then it will be a plus for you, and experience developing accessible technologies. About this job, they have mentioned all the details, roles and responsibilities, everything. So as a software developer, you know what to do. You have to review code, you have to write code, and you have to debug the codes. Okay. So there they have provided all the details. You can read from here, and please make your resume based on the job responsibilities so that it will be selected by the HR recruiter. So that is all about the job update, and from here only you can apply for this role. And here I am not disclosing the salary because you all know, like if you are able to clear this job, how much you can earn. And also it will be a great opportunity for all the software engineers who are passionate about their job and who are passionate in coding. Have a try in Google, and if you are not even selected in this Google, you will get a great experience by the interview in software development field. So you can also upskill yourself based on the interview and based on the questions which they will ask you. So that's all about the job update, and you will get all the details in my description area as usual. And still, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ping me on my Instagram handle, or you can comment below so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video, and if it's helpful for you, you can subscribe the channel and feel free to share it with your friends and family members who are looking for a new job. So for today, I'm signing out. Thank you. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.